everybody. Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. This is going to be our 2-door Undercounter all stainless steel refrigerator. Brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit for you, give you the exterior as well as the interior measurements. We'll start with exterior and we'll start with the length. 47 inches of the length. Front to back, you're looking at 29.5. And the overall height will be 35.5 inches, including the wheels. Okay, so 35.5. It does have wheels for all of our units. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and open up these doors. It is gonna be automatic closing doors. I'm gonna go ahead and open them all the way so you can see the inside. As you can see on the inside, there are shelves. So you're provided with those shelves. You have one on each side. Also on the inside, there's going to be a thermometer that will be included. And on the far left side, all information regarding this unit. You got your circuit diagram, all the specs, certification. Unit is going to be certified by the health department. So all the information is located on the inside. Also will be provided with instructions on how to use the unit. Now inside measurements, you're looking at 18 front to back, 18 inches. Okay, left to right, you're looking at 43 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at 23 inches overall height on the inside. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this unit. Now if you follow me over to the back, we'll show you where the plug is located. It is going to be a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt, 110 unit. Okay, that's your plug right there. Also on the back, you can locate your control for the temperature. Okay, so that's where you can control the temperature. If you want to go ahead and change temp, or if you want to just leave it how it is, it'll display your temperature once the unit is on. Okay, so this is going to be a 2-door, 47-inch Undercounter unit. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding this unit, including the price. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.